Hi, so this is part 2, and I replaced the new spark plug, but somehow the coil is still on, so it must be the coil. And this is to show you how to remove the coil. So you see this a cover, there's two cover here. You have to remove the cover, see that? And then in the back here, this cover here, you have to open. There's a cover, plastic cover, and then there's another piece right here. So you have to be careful. They clamp together like this. Okay, it's clamped together like this, right? There's four pin. Use the flat screwdriver and open like that. And then in the back here, before the plug, there will be another piece. You have to take the screwdriver and push it out that way, and then you just take a screwdriver and put right in right here, and then pry it out. Okay, so you see it. There will be a something you cannot press down, but just use this flat screwdriver. Kind of like the flat screwdriver you put right here, you crack it. But you remember you have to remove all the plastic out first before you can do that. Okay, otherwise don't break this piece right here. Be careful. You just pry on one side. It usually will come out. So they want one pin right here. I mean not pin, but a clip. Kind of like a click in, a click, or whatever you call it. Anyway, that's how you remove it. So what happened is that when I put the spark plug in and the coil still there, so there's another way I can diagnose it. Is that I replace the 2 and the 4, just switch the coil to see if the reading make any difference. If I move over here and then the reading gonna be like misfire number 2, then I know the coil number 4 doesn't work. But if I move over here and it still have misfire, means something else other than the coil or the spark plug. So I just want to let you guys know that. So if you want to replace, it's kind of hard to remove it initially, but this is how you do it. Is the method is I remove the plastic cap first. You know, there's a you see there's a hole here. You just pry it off. Don't do it too hard. It might break. You know, so it's just clicking. So I just want to let you know that, and we see what happened. Okay, bye.